What up, fishing fam? What up? God bless you, man. It's August the 12th. Right now, it's 8:40 in the morning. I'm waiting for a good friend of mine, Jose. That's why I'm all looking around. It's not because I'm paranoid. But, yeah, man, we're going to be heading out to Salinas Lake. Last week, I had a chance to go out to Lake Falcon, man. Unfortunately, I didn't record anything, man. It was a drag, man. It was very, very tough. It was hot. Conditions changed, you know, like for 3 or 4 days straight. Winds were coming from, you know, where they always come from the north, and then they started coming through from the southeast, man. And the conditions just changed. The mutter was all mixed up. It was all murky. And we had to throw chartreuse squarebills or anything that had a flash to it, and it was just tough, man. All day in total we caught about 10 fish, but anyways, I'm gonna be going out to Salinas Lake today. We're gonna be going out because it's my friend's wife's birthday, so we're gonna be taking this time to go out and fish, man. And it's been hot, man, but you know what, like at Salinas Lake, at this time of year, like at the end of July and stepping into August to like mid-August, the fish, they become active, man, and they start going back into this one place where there's a lot of sticks. So that's where I'm gonna be going to. Yeah, guys, and guess who just showed up? He's in the game. So I'm gonna be going over to Ruben's house right now, and like I said, man, we're gonna be going back into the sticks. This area that we're going to be trying out at the lake, there's it goes from like very deep water, from like the deeper end of the lake, and you know, it just goes up to this edge, man, where there's just a lot of trees in the water, man. And everywhere else around the lake, you know, there's just a lot of rock, or you know, it's just like there's just like shallow flats. And right now, anywhere where there's shallow flats and there's rock at this lake, there's no activity. You know, they're stuck at this part of the lake where it's deeper, and it goes into these trees. And I'm guessing, you know, because it's been so hot, the fish just go from the deep and they come up, they feed, and then right around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, the bite just cuts off. And even in the afternoon, late in the afternoon, you might have like 30 minutes or an hour before the sun goes down. You might have just a quick opportunity to catch a fish or two. But yeah, that's the way it is for us, man. Comment down below if you know, whatever's working for you, man. Let me know, man. Maybe what's working for you where you're at, it's gonna be working for me, or maybe what I'm doing where I'm at, it's gonna work for you. So let's help each other out, man. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and recommend to a friend. So we're gonna be here, man, and I'll see you guys at the lake. Made it out, fishing fam. Made it out. We're out here. I wasn't even recording, man. I couldn't even turn on my phone, and the reason why is because I had left my phone out in the sun and it was just too hot, and so I couldn't turn on the phone. But as soon as I turned it on, before I even turned it on, I was getting ready to turn it on. Ruben cast into this grass patch right out here. If you can see it, the darkness in the water right there, it's a huge grass patch, and he casted it right in front of it. And this fish just picked it up. He set the hook, and it was just a clean snap, and he's got 50-pound braid on, so it was just a monster fish. So we're gonna keep on fishing. We ran into these big grass patches out here in the middle of the lake, and we're gonna be going all the way out there, man, to the trees up there to Sticks County. But let's see what's up, man. Let's see if they're out here. All right, fishing fam, starting off with the spinner bait. No. There's a stick down there too, man. I don't know whether it's this one, bro, or it's el otro. Watch out, the one that's out there. Slow rolling the spinner bait in front of this patch.
tree, grass tree in the water. There he is. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Check it out. Here he is. Picked it up right in front of the patch, man. Here he is. Right. Got the skunk out the boat. There's no way that the one that Ruben just hooked right now, there's no way it was this size. Beautiful. Ándale. Try to get in the same area. Right on the tip of it, man. Left hand side. This little baby sitting in there. They're sitting like midway. They're probably sitting maybe four foot down. Because I'm like reeling it up mid-water. So like 5 feet down. Out of the grass for oh, this is a better one. Yeah, this is a better one. Yep, this is a better one. Yeah. No, but he just had weeds on him. Yeah, man, the flash. Yeah, this is a better one. This guy's all tangled up. Right on the left hand side, the wind's blowing into the patch, guys. Try to see if there's something on the back side of it. Oh yeah, there he is. What is that? What is that? Is that a freaking monster? That is a monster. Hombre, it's yours again. Oh, that's my line. That's your line. I was like, what is that? It had one on, dude.
That's my line.
It was shaking hard.
It was shaking.
It was shaking. It was shaking, bro. I was like, that's a big one. Oh, it was shaking hard.
Todavía lo traía.
Dude, it was shaking hard. Entonces it had it in its mouth or something still, man. What the heck?
That's crazy.
No, I swear, dude, it was pulling. Boom, boom, boom. I felt head shakes. Nada. Está para allá. Here.
The knife?
Oh. The knife. I thought you said the knife. I was like, what the heck? It was in the grass, man.
He was in there because
That was
he went in there. He went straight in there. I just felt him go like
that guy's inside, man.
I felt him go in there.
That fish is inside. There he is. Oh, this is a no, but he's a fighter here. Like in the grass, man. He's a big chunk, little chunkers. On the Strike King. Strike. Alright guys, I haven't been recording, a bunch of technical difficulties. Winds have picked up, they're about 18 miles an hour. It's just crazy, man. Look at this. Yeah, I just got a good fish, man. It got wrapped up in that tree. Jose just got off to try to get it out, but the fish is gone, man. We saw it though, right, Ruben? The thing was spinning in the tree and everything. And the reason why we don't want to get close to the trees is because the wind is so strong that we're going to get stuck in the trees, man. It's going to be hard to get out. But let's see what's up, man. So far we caught about maybe anywhere from 5 to 7 fish. There he is. All right, there he is. Ruben's on. He's on that. I told you. He pulled a hamstring. My disc. No way. He went straight down. Yeah, I told you, man. Down there, there's a tree. It's horizontal. I mean, it's horizontal, like to where you're at. Hold on, man. We'll get it out. Again, I wasn't recording, man. Nice little bass. Just pushing a pound. That's a Zoom Super Cook Junior. White ice color, but we chartreuse dipped it and we painted the tail blue. These winds are no joke, guys. Came to the canal to get away from the winds, but they're just blowing too hard, man. There's moments when it stops for about a few seconds and then they just come back full force. The anchor that we have is like not even a 20-pound, I think maybe a 20-pound anchor, and it's just not helping us out at all. Yeah, fishing fam, get her done. T-bones looking real nice. Day has came to an end. Yeah, buddy. All right, fishing fam, good morning. Check this out, man. You know it, yes sir. It's like 6:45 in the morning right now. Just a recap of yesterday. I'm sorry guys, I didn't record a lot of the trip yesterday, man. The reason why is there was just a lot of there was a lot of technical difficulties. you know, my phone was getting hot, man. The sun was out. I had to keep my phone in the, you know, in my bag. And then on top of that, you know, we had a lot of problems with the electric motor, man, and the wind was just blowing like crazy. And you know, I just had to keep basically, I mean, the main problem was the wind, because you know, every time that I would cast, you know, I would just cast like once or twice, and then I'd have to readjust our position in the boat, man. And you know, I got a trolling motor on the boat that's got like a pedal drive on it. And you know, I just couldn't fish, man. The wind was very bad, and we were trying to fish alongside of these trees. But the bad thing is that the wind was blowing like right into the trees, man. So you know, you can only imagine the struggle that I had, me driving, you know, the pedal. You know, the wind was blowing us into the trees, and you know, I would just cast like once or twice, and then I'd have to get the pedal drive, and then it would take us a while to just push away from the trees. And like one cast or two casts later, we were already right next to the trees. So that's the way that we had to do it, man. We were catching some fish, I'm not gonna lie, but the thing was just, it was very uncomfortable, man. My back is so sore right now because of that action yesterday. But you know what, man, we're gonna go out there again and we're gonna get it. Supposedly the winds aren't supposed to be that bad, but we're gonna check it out. But we're gonna go back into the sticks, man. Yesterday we were fishing. We caught some fish along the fence line, and then we went back to the sticks. We caught some fish there, and then we went to the channel, man, and there was no fish in the channel. There was fish outside of the channel on this one point, so we're probably gonna go back there as well. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to do my best today, and let's see what we can catch. That's good. Let's get closer to the trees. Maybe those guys are gonna dedicate themselves to actually bite the bait. Can you pull up the anchor, brother? You know what I mean? Ese, man. Go hard or go home? Damn it. I guess I'm gonna go home. I got it. Come on. Oh, there he was. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There he was, man. I got caught up in the trees. Little baby girl. Little mamas. Just get these freaking hooks out of them. Look at that. Oh, came out of the tree. Came out of the tree for it. He was at the side of the tree. I saw him come out of this tree. Came right out the tree. Got us. Get ready to put the ancla down. Just come over here and have a good old time, huh? Yeah. Why come Pastor gotta have him a nice house, huh? Or why come? Oh! Yeah, in the tree. Or why come Pastor gotta have him a nice house, huh? Don't ask. I said, don't ask no questions. Just give me the money. I got $100 right here. There he is. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good one, man. Oh, yes, sir. 2.5, 3-pounder. 2.5. That's a good one, man. Yes, sir. There you go, Ruben. Hold him up. There you go, man. All right. Chartreuse snake on the scene. There he is. All right, there he is. Ruben's on. Oh man, they're right on the edge of that shade, no? Look at. That's why. You see all the little fish? That's why they're out here. Perfect speed right now. Get him, brother. There's got to be something in there, man. He's on. Yep. Oh, there he is. Oh, oh dang it. Oh, no. Freaking backlash like gotcha. There's a few there. Hold on. All right, man. Got him, coach. Ruben's on again. Ruben, you're on again, no?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Look at your line. Oh, no? Computer line. Hey yo, big time narco. You said you like to bust dope dealers. Be there. Ow!
You hard snake. Vomit eater.
Like that. Yeah, bro. Eso fue lo más ofensivo para ellos, ¿verdad? What? Everyone was like, ooh. Sí.